Dravya Varga. So today we are going to discuss about Amla Varga, Panchamritika, Panchagavya, Panchamrita, Kshara Ashtaga, Dravaga Gana, Mitra Panchaga, Rekta Varga and Levana Panchaga. So first, Amla Varga Dravyas. Amla Vedasa, Chambira, Nimbuga, Bija Puraka, Chargeri, Chanagamla, Amlika, Kola, Dhadima, Ambashta, Tindirigam, Naranga, Rasapatriga, and Karamarda are included in the Amla Varga Dravya. Panchamrittika, Ishtiga Churna, Ghairika, Levana, Basma, Valmika, Mrittika. Panchagavya, Gavya Kshira, Dadi, Gridha, Go Mutra, and Go Maya. Panchamrita, Gavya Kshira, Dadi, Gridha, Makshiga, and Sharkara or sugar. Kshara Dvaya, Yava Kshara and Swarjiga Kshara are the Kshara Dvaya. Kshara Traya, Kshara Dvaya plus Tangana Kshara. That is Yava, Swarjiga Kshara, Tangana Kshara. Now, Kshara Panchaka. Rasatarangini mentioned Mushka Kshara, Yava Kshara, Kimshuga Kshara, Swarjiga Kshara, and Tila Kshara as Kshara Panchaka. Whereas Rasaratna Samuchaya mentioned Palasha, Mushka, Yava, Suvarchiga, and Tila Kshara as the Kshara Panchaka. Now, Kshara Ashtaka, Sudha, Palasha, Abha Marga, Chincha, Arka, Tila, Swarjiga, and Yava Kshara are mentioned as the Kshara Ashtaka. Madhura Traya, Grida, Guda, Makshika. Dravaga Guna, Dravaga Gana. It is Guda, Guggulu, Guncha, Grida, Makshika, and Tangana. And Mitra Panchaga is Dravaga Guna minus Guda. So, out of the Dravaga Gana drugs, no need to add the Guda. We remove Guda from Dravaga Gana. So, Guggulu, Guncha, Grida, and Makshiga and Tangana constitute the Mitra Panchaga. Rekta Varga, Manchishta, Kunguma, Laksha, Dadima, Rekta Chandana Bandhuka, and Rekta Karavira. Levana. So, the most important Levana is Saindava. Dvilevana, Saindava, Sauvarchala. Trilevana also include Bida. Chadurlevana, Saindava, Sauvarchala, Bida, Samudra. Panchalevana, Saindava, Sauvarchala, Bida, Samudra, Romaga or Audbida. Shatlevana, Samudra, Saindava, Bida, Sauvarchala, Romaga, Chullika. Arka Kshira, Snuhi Kshira and Vada Kshira include the Kshira Traya. Thank you for watching my video. For more updates, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.